5 money-making sites like Fiverr earn $5,000 or more per month. In this video, I will review the top 5 Fiverr alternatives you can use and earn thousands of dollars every month. There are different payment methods and comparisons between them and Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the famous online marketplaces that allowed vendors to offer services known on the platform as gigs for as little as $5. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button in order to be notified when we publish new videos. Thank you. Fiverr's job market has grown to become one of the most well-known freelance websites throughout time. Fiverr is mostly used by both corporations and freelancers due to its large, competitive community and low-cost work. For both freelancers and businesses, there are a number of Fiverr competitors, including platforms that are more specialized, provide greater security, higher quality, and more flexibility. Which one is best for you is largely determined by your requirements and preferences. Fiverr, as well as these alternatives, are great methods to generate money online, while simultaneously enlisting the assistance of others to provide you with any services you need in a timely and cost-effective manner. For both businesses commissioning work and freelancers searching for work. As a gig seller, when do you get paid, and how does the payment process work? When a buyer places an order, they pay Fiverr. Following the execution of the order, 80% of the funds are allocated to your account and remain pending for a 14-day clearing period. This time is set aside to process payments and ensure client satisfaction. After that, the funds will be recorded as cleared and available for withdrawal. Payment method: PayPal, Fiverr Revenue Card, bank transfer, direct deposit for the US. We've compiled a list of the top 5 Fiverr alternatives, as well as the merits and downsides of each. The top 5 Fiverr alternatives are as follows. Number 1. www.upwork.com. Upwork is frequently the first website that comes to mind when it comes to similar websites to Fiverr. Because of its good reputation for connecting clients with the most basic freelancers. On Upwork, for example, freelancers offer services related to a specific set of talents. Fiverr allows people to directly provide a wide range of services. Once a job is posted on Upwork, freelancers submit bids for specific projects by sending customized applications and canopy letters to clients. Clients purchase specific services that the freelancer has already defined on Fiverr. Upwork is usually the first platform that comes up when Fiverr alternatives are discussed, because it offers a wide range of services and has a long-standing reputation. Upwork is similar to a more affluent version of Fiverr. It's a free marketplace with more secure payment options and greater professional standards where you can post work and chat with freelancers. Upwork is a broad marketplace for a variety of services, including logo design, software development, and even structural engineering, to name a few. They require a designer community, but the location does not specialize in graphic design or branding. Upwork payment method: direct to US bank, ACH. Direct to local bank. US dollar wire transfer. Instant pay for US freelancers. PayPal. Payoneer. M-Pesa, Kenya only. Upwork versus Fiverr. Which is better? The bidding structure is the most significant distinction between Upwork and Fiverr. Freelancers advertise their prices on Fiverr, and clients choose the one that best fits their budget. Businesses publish job openings on Upwork, and freelancers place bids. In some circumstances, you'll be able to receive design work for less money than you would elsewhere. However, don't anticipate freelancers to undercut each other excessively. Good freelancers don't need to engage in a bidding war. More information on Upwork. Clients only need to register, post the assignment they require and wait for proposals from a variety of freelancers with differing levels of expertise and knowledge to arrive. For clients with many jobs, you'll engage with your team using the unique workroom function, which allows you to manage a large group of workers and virtual assistants with simplicity. Upwork charges freelancers a 20% fee after each project or milestone is completed successfully. Fees are decreased to 10% whenever a freelancer has earned over $500 working for a certain customer. Once they reach $10,000, the percentage drops to 5%. As a client, you will only be charged 2.75% for each payment, which is known as a payment processing fee. Unlike the other sites on our list, Upwork allows you to communicate with your freelancer via email, Skype, Slack, and other methods outside of the website. However, all payments must be done through Upwork, else, you and the freelancer will be banned. Number 2. Another great Fiverr alternative for graphic design work is 99 Designs. This is a one-of-a-kind Fiverr outsourcing option for any type of design, including logos, web design, and avatars. It was established to make it easier for designers to connect with clients that demand high-quality designs. Alternatively, for a little fee paid to 99 Designs, you can do a talent search and identify the right people to rent for a certain project hiring freelancers. It was established to make it easier for designers to connect with clients that demand high-quality designs. Payment method. You can withdraw your earnings using PayPal or Payoneer. Fiverr versus 99 Designs comparison. Fiverr often have lower costs, so if the price is your first priority, you could choose Fiverr selections. With design contests and project alternatives, 99 Designs adopts a unique approach that ensures higher quality and lower risk. 99 Designs also vets designers, assists with queries, and mediates any issues that arise throughout the course of a project. Clients also get a money-back guarantee, so they don't lose anything if the planning doesn't go as planned. Number 3. www.freelancer.com. Freelancer is another famous website similar to Fiverr that consumers turn to when they need something that Fiverr doesn't have. It serves as a center that connects freelancers with clients that require their services. Since the site contains over 40 million freelancers across thousands of specialties, you won't find what you're looking for. At the moment, there are about 30 million active freelancer users. And the number continues to grow with each passing day. Web development, translation, and copywriting are just a few of the services available. As a result, the platform ensures that you will locate the ideal job that matches your qualifications. You may locate practically any service you can think of on Freelancer, which contains all types of tasks. Because the platform offers more flexibility and freedom, you may choose which assignments you want to take on and when you want to work. Freelancer includes a free app for keeping track of your time. This helps with payment because you can take a screenshot of your working hours and submit it to your boss as proof of how much time you've worked. Freelancer payment method. Bank, express withdrawal. Bank, wire transfer. Minimum of $500 United States dollars. PayPal. Requires PayPal verification. Skrill. Only supports EUR and GBP. Fiverr versus freelancing comparison. Rather than focusing on single, conventional contracts, Freelancer is more interested in long-term collaborations with like freelancers. Furthermore, their payment structure allows for hourly rates or partial payment based on project milestones, which is ideal for long-term and complex projects. Fiverr, on the other hand, has a speedier turnaround time, giving them a little edge over Freelancer for tiny, one-time assignments. Number 4. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a high-quality freelance marketplace. Before being onboarded to bid for jobs, freelancers must pass a rigorous quality control test. As a result, the site favors user experience. You can earn more money if you have many certificates. People Per Hour has a similar concept to Fiverr, in that anyone may join. However, it provides better security than Fiverr, making it a good middle ground option. People Per Hour's key draws are security, talent, and affordability, but as a jack of all trades, it may be a master of none. People Per Hour was founded in 2007, so it's newer than most of the other platforms on this list, but it's just as good as the others. People Per Hour claims to have over 300,000 freelancers available for hire through promotional postings. Their commission fee is low, ranging from 3.5% to 5%. This fee is only applied when you've made a total of $300. Contrary to popular belief, the number of people per hour is not the same as the number of people on Fiverr. People Per Hour payment method. UK bank transfers are usually completed within 24 hours. SEPA, local bank transfers can take from 1 to 3 working days to arrive. International bank transfers can take 3 to 7 working days to arrive and intermediate bank transfer fees may apply. Please be advised that if your country is included in the slow to pay countries list, it can take a week to a month for the payment to reach your account. Withdrawals to PayPal and Payoneer usually take a few minutes people per hour versus Fiverr. Comparison: people per hour's business strategy is the most similar to Fiverr's of all the options. It, like Fiverr, is not focused on any one field or industry. The biggest difference is security. People per hour vets its freelancers and protects them from scams, whereas Fiverr does not. People per hour could be for you if you desire the structure, usage, and cost of Fiverr but with less risk. One significant benefit is that people per hour holds client deposits before you begin, ensuring payment. Which is a benefit that seasoned freelancers know will come in handy. Number 5. www.guru.com. Because its services are provided for free, the site may be a favorite among many freelancers. It is, in fact, one of the most prominent freelance marketplaces in the world, particularly in the United States. Guru's security features are identical to those of Upwork. Unlike Fiverr, it has a strong buyer and seller protection, making it harder to fall victim to frauds and con artists on the marketplace. Clients can use Guru to find a team of freelancers who will negotiate agreements, set project milestones, share messages and documents on similar platforms, and delegate work with minimal effort. Aside from a small cost for processing payments on the site, Guru does not charge a customer any further fees for posting a job or obtaining proposals from interested freelancers, or gurus, as they're known on the site. When compared to Fiverr, this makes it a far more affordable option. Guru payment method: US bank account, check. PayPal. Payoneer. Wire transfer. Fiverr versus Guru comparison. Fiverr, freelancers are frequently on hold waiting for orders to come back so they may serve their clients. And most clients go there for low-cost workers in addition to some high-cost freelancers. Clients anticipate proposals to arrive, and freelancers typically compete for variable pricing or a top-to-bottom race. Major difference. On Fiverr, one thing is clear: you can see precise pricing and services and only choose who to hire. On Guru, however, you can't choose quickly because you don't know what you'll get by default. Reviewing proposals and learning later takes time. There may be a feature on Fiverr where freelancers also can send buyer requests, which is like sending custom proposals for his or her services. So, these are the top 5 Fiverr alternatives you can use and earn over $5,000 monthly. Kindly leave your comment below. Subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification button to be notified when we publish new videos. Thank you for watching.